Hello, today I have another iPhone lot, and this time it's even bigger. Oh my god, can you see that? That looks amazing. Oh my god. That is amazing. Okay, 11 iPhones there. An iPhone SE, iPhone 5, 5S, I don't know, another 5S, another SE, and two 6Ss. This one is missing a home button. Another two SEs, 5, and an SE. I want to check for any SIM cards. There are no SIM cards. Clean the charging ports and clean them in general. Alright, I have taken a look at all the iPhones and tried to charge them. And we have these three, the 6S and these two that are not responding to the charger, these three that are charging, but I left them on for just a little bit because I don't have time to leave them on for long. And these showed the charging symbol but went nowhere. These 5 that are working but they're dead. These 3 are working perfectly. They were reset and they had no iCloud or anything. This one, it's dead, but it is unlocked, but it has somebody's Apple ID on it, but it is unlocked. It is open without a passcode. And the other 6S is activation lock. Take the logic board of this 6S into the working one, because this one showed no signs of life, and see if it shows anything in this working one. The logic board transfer didn't work. It was showing no signs of life. I realized that I can try just a new display, and yeah, as you can see, we have another working one. I'm gonna make from 2 not fully working ones, 1 broken and 1 working one.